Welcome to our unboxing of the new smartphone from A1, the A1 Alpha. My name is Jochen and together we will do a deep dive into the brand new A1 Alpha. When looking into the box, you will find an envelope with a SIM ejection tool, a quick start guide and a warranty information, and a phone case to protect the A1 Alpha. Next is already the device itself. The A1 Alpha has a gorgeous 6.26-inch display with HD+ resolution and also offers a fingerprint sensor and a 30-megapixel dual camera. Internally, it runs on a fast octa-core processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 64 gig of built-in data storage, and it comes with Android 9 pre-installed. By the way, if the data storage is not enough for you, you can always extend the A1 Alpha using a microSD card with up to 256 gig additional storage. And finally, you'll also find earbuds with a microphone and a micro USB charger with adapter in the box. So to wrap up, if this sounds interesting to you, just head over to our website and select the new A1 Alpha to get more information on the device and how to order. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.